Hey friends, it's been a long day and it hasn't been all day yet. I'm just at a rest stop. It's pretty dank. It's a nice rest stop, but this is what I'm looking at. Heat plus heat equals heat. I'm walking up a hill here. Yes, I'm walking up a hill. I have some trash I need to get rid of. I had to repack because there's so many bumps in the road that it shifted everything into my back, so I had to repackage. As you can see, it's quite a bit of stuff on my bike. That's a lot of stuff. I'm just going into this very nice little area here. I'm probably throwing you guys around like crazy. Oh, I found some sunscreen. I think it's old, but it'll have to do. It's hot. Just saying. I think it's probably going to be upside down to you guys, but my t-shirt says just saying. Just saying. Oh boy. It's hot. It's not good to wear pants in the hot, but can't wear shorts on that bike. It's too hot. I'll have to wear lighter pants tomorrow. It's just going to get hotter from here. At least I hope. I don't want to run into any rain. I'd rather have heat than rain. I'm just looking around. You guys want to look around? It's pretty nice. I'm sitting in a nice gazebo type of thing. But yeah, that's why I don't turn on the camera, because it's just more and more and more of the same thing. There's not really anything amazing except for being on the road and, you know, listening to music and just, I don't know, get in your head and try to make it good, not bad. And sometimes when you get in your head, you end up with making it worse, but I've been trying to stick to the positive and find what's good, you know. So that's what I'm doing, trying to find what's good. Looks like my battery is about to die, so I will sign off and I'll sign back on again when I get somewhere. I'm in Boise, Idaho right now. Well, I'm past it now. So we're heading to Salt Lake City, Utah. Well, I don't know where I'll get to stay this evening. Yeah, not sure. I uploaded one video. It was really hard. I praise to all these people that vlog out there and then have to wait to upload to YouTube. Holy smokers. An 8-minute video or so takes 2 hours, 3 hours to upload. But I can't. It's just craziness. But I'm gonna keep trying. You have to have a good internet source or it doesn't work either. If it's a low grade internet, like it was at my hotel, then you can't do it. When I got to McDonald's, I was able to do it, but I had to sit there for literally 2 hours or more. So I lost a lot of my day. Well, not a lot, but I don't care. I'm not in any big hurry, but I do want to get some miles under me, you know. So anyway, I say I'm gonna sign off, but I don't. It's just gorgeous for the sun, though. I love it. I'd rather have this than rain any day. I'll melt my ass off before I have to ride in the rain. But all right, guys, I will be back when I get a new battery and I stop. I'll try if I see anything great, or if it looks like I'm going somewhere where it's amazing, I will turn on the camera. But so far, nothing's been woo to me. Oh, except for this cement place. It looked like a great big dome coming out of the ground. It was weird. And then a big prison. I don't know. All right, thanks guys. I'll talk to you soon.